Hi guys, today we're gonna make ice cream with drizzle. So this is our box and includes an ice cream machine, and let's open the box. There's a lot to do. These are the molds that can be used to decorate the ice cream. This is the ice cream machine and lots of the attachment. Then we do have the cups for our ice cream and a pink cone as well. And this is the attachment that's gonna make the sprinkles for our ice cream. Also, we do have lots of instructions, and we're gonna make these ice creams today. They look so yummy. And this is our drizzle and the spoon as well. Got 2 spoons and the drizzle, the strawberry drizzle. And the chocolate drizzle is coming up as well. That's it. It's so yummy. And we do have 6 different play-dohs we're gonna use to make our ice cream. So let's start making our first ice cream. So we got a vanilla play-doh. We put it inside out, and then we get bubblegum play-doh and a strawberry play-doh. We put all together in the ice cream machine, and then we get a pink cone. And now you push, and voila! We are getting our ice cream. That looks yummy. Have to push hard, but it's definitely a tasty, delicious ice cream. So, almost ready. There it is. So our first ice cream is ready. It's in the cone. Now let's get the blue cup. Get raspberry play-doh, blue bubblegum play-doh, and vanilla play-doh. And then we push. And we are waiting now to get our second ice cream in a cup, in a pink cup. That looks delicious. It's so colorful as well. That's yummy. So now we got the second ice cream in a cup this time. Now we got vanilla play-doh, white play-doh, bubblegum or blue play-doh, raspberry or pink play-doh. We put all of them in the ice cream machine, and then we just push, and then we get our third ice cream in a blue cup. It looks so delicious, and again it's colorful, and it looks so soft. This is ready now. So we got the third ice cream now. They're all ready to be decorated. So now we get the attachment, and we're gonna make our own sprinkles. We got the pink play-doh, and then we push. That's it. And now you're getting the sprinkles. There it is. Each ice cream gets some sprinkles. And pink color sprinkles. Okay. Everything is almost ready. Something is missing. And of course, the drizzle is missing. So now let's get the chocolate flavor drizzle, and we are almost there. And then look, we are getting our first drizzy ice cream, second and third. That looks delicious. Now we're going to get a strawberry flavor drizzle, and once it's ready, I'll get this drizzle on my all 3 ice creams, and voila, our ice cream is ready. We got chocolate and strawberry drizzles on the ice cream. They look so delicious, colorful, and really tasty. We got one in a cone, one in a cup, in a pink cup, and one in a blue cup. That looks great.